my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl.
Happy July 8th.
Woo-hoo! Happy July 8th.
It's been 15 days since we've been on Blue.
Yeah. I'm starting to get a little gloomy there for a few.
We had crazy weather, 100 and something degrees.
Torrential downpours with flooding, as you saw in our videos, I hope.
I'm going to post a couple videos of our backyard. And so you can see what happened in one day. A lot of people got flooded. So now we're off to pick up Bob and Amy. And we go for a nice ride.
Where's our ride going, hon?
We're going to Mosites.
Mosites.
Is that it?
Yep.
And we're going to... I gotta pick up a couple parts for Blue too. I always keep a spare part since I changed the tire. I gotta pick up another O-ring for the next time.
I'm going to find some rain gear.
Yeah.
So I can't stand getting wet and not having something protecting me. I don't mind riding in the rain, but
Well, I do it and I don't have to take a shower for a week.
yeah, I know.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't mind a little being wet, but not when you're drenched. So if I can ride in the rain, I'll be happy. Well, you know.
I'll remember that.
Well, within reason, hon.
Oh.
No 60 miles in torrentials, no.
So stay tuned and we'll let you know as we
mind your business.
yeah. I was looking at the creek there. That was overflowing.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
So stay tuned. This is our backyard. Holy crap.
The skies can open, the rivers can rise, and pour down the highway, a stormy surprise. Let the joint crush down, and the blacktop attack. A little bit of water won't hold
Well, I cut the grass yesterday.
'Cause I'll be back. The pavement might vanish beneath the gray tide.
This is our little creek.
The fire burning that keeps me outside. No river can swallow the rumble and drag. No flooded out roadway will hold me back.
Our poor neighbor's house.
With a grip on
underwater.
the bars and a glance at the sky, I'll find a new way. Where
Hi,
the
babe.
gravel is dry, you can wash out the asphalt in altered tar. But you can't put a dampener on what I've done so far. As a traveler determined to push through the rain, to trade every puddle for open terrain. Let the currents run deep. Let the horizon turn black. There isn't a flood that can hold me back. With a grip on the bars and a glance at the sky, I'll find a new way where the gravel is dry. You can wash out the asphalt in altered tar. But you can't put a dampener on what I've done so far. the gravel is dry, you can wash out the asphalt and alter a tree. But you can't put a dampener on me. Hell no. Hell no. The road unspooled through a pile of town. The rivers and creeks winding down. A mission for his sweetie on a single lane. To beat the dark clouds at their own game. With John leading the pack and Bob in tow. Amy watch the gray sky put on a show. Wait till I get some new rain gear, Rita said and smile.
Well, I guess the weatherman lied again.
I don't trust him.
We pulled up to the CanAm store.
I looked, it wasn't supposed to be any rain at all.
But the universe
I told him.
was right on cue. The sky split in two before we were
He doesn't want to listen to me.
That's right. It's a beautiful day. Well, we're heading to Mosites. We just stopped at Daddy's Bar and Grill, or Grill and whatever. Dad's. And it was all right.
I mean, like I said before, you can't screw up a salad unless you put carrots in it.
Woo! Hey, we got the sun. Look at that. And it's still drizzling. Crazy weather.
Well, this was the purpose why I wanted to go to Mosites, was to get a rain gear. So, yeah.
You can even try it out, babe. Here's Mosites up on the hill.
Everyone there, no jackets, no ponchos, just a leather in stride. Safe with our friends 'cause it's dry inside.
Take you around. Here it is. It's a big place. Well, we're on our way home. We didn't take too many videos today.
No.
This is probably number 4. And Rita only had a couple. So, I hope you enjoyed the ride. It was a warm one. We had a little bit of everything. Rain. Then turned into the sun. It cooled off. It was 91. Now it's 87.
They were moving.
I gotta do some checking things out on Blue because I got an error code popped up. I gotta see what it is. Maybe it doesn't like the heat. It's a fair weather.
No.
Fair weather rider.
Well, that ain't gonna happen.
have another clip or two. I wouldn't count on it.
Yeah.
Just been one of them days. We got shade.
Yep.
Well, I guess it wasn't a very good day to ride. So all them stoplights are.
Yeah. Well.
But my baby got what she wanted.
Yes, I did. I got my wetsuit.
We can go snorkeling now.
Yep. Thanks to Mosites. Oh, however you pronounce it. Reasonable price.
Yep. So now we're just gonna pack them in the bike for
Rainy days and Mondays.
Oh, I hope we only have rainy days on Mondays, but today's Wednesday and we got some rain.
Well, mine's in the bike where it's going to stay.
Okay.
That's what I bought it for.
Yeah. And I'll be putting mine in the bike. Like I said, we'll find a spot to put it and repack everything. Home, sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us. I know we didn't take much videos, but we thank you and we thank all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. I know you're watching my other videos, not our riding videos. But thank you anyways, and don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.
Always me and you in blue, laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines new, guided by trusted blue. Side by side through the sun and rain, every moment feels the same.